Health insurance is one of the most important types of protection you can have in the United States. Medical costs can be extremely expensive, so having the right insurance plan can help cover doctor visits, hospital stays, prescriptions, and emergency care. In this video, we'll look at 3 of the best and most affordable health insurance companies in the United States in 2026. Let's get started. The first company is Kaiser Permanente. This is widely considered one of the best health insurance providers in the United States. In fact, it is ranked number 1 in several national surveys for customer satisfaction and affordability. One of the biggest advantages of Kaiser Permanente is its integrated healthcare system. This means the company provides both insurance and medical services through its own hospitals and doctors, which helps simplify claims and reduce costs. Another benefit is that Kaiser often offers some of the lowest monthly premiums compared to other insurers, making it one of the most affordable options for many people. The second company is Blue Cross Blue Shield. Blue Cross Blue Shield is one of the most recognized health insurance providers in the country. It operates through a network of companies and offers coverage in all 50 U.S. states. One of its biggest advantages is its very large network of doctors and hospitals, with more than 1.7 million healthcare providers, giving members a lot of flexibility when choosing where to receive care. BCBS also offers a wide variety of plans for individuals, families, and seniors. The third company is Aetna. Aetna is another major health insurance provider and is part of CVS Health, which allows members to access additional healthcare services and pharmacy benefits. Aetna is known for its strong customer service and relatively low complaint rates, as well as additional perks like wellness programs and discounts on health products. It also offers multiple plan options including individual, family, employer, and Medicare plans. So in summary, 3 of the best and most affordable health insurance companies in the United States are Kaiser Permanente, great for affordability and integrated care. Blue Cross Blue Shield, best for a large doctor network. Aetna, strong customer service and extra benefits. Choosing the right health insurance will always depend on your location, budget, and healthcare needs, so it's important to compare plans before enrolling. And that's it! If this video helped you learn about the best affordable health insurance companies in the USA, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and insurance tips.